start checking off that souvenir list.
Williams, Arizona. Wow, look at that. It says October 13th, 1984. Last town bypassed by I-40. Have you heard of this place? The Pinata.
Well, there's a band called
The Pinata? Maybe it's the Pinata of the band The.
I can show you the inside of it if you want to see the inside of this.
Okay.
Fixing all the wiring in it and everything. So.
That's cool. Oh, you're working on it right now.
Right now, yeah.
Can't go wrong with chocolate and bacon, except for that it's chocolate bacon. But besides that, can't go wrong with it. It's pretty interesting. Williams Route 66 Mining Company. She got the mine, he got the shaft. This is Pete's Gas Station Museum. Oh, Coca-Cola sign. Look at that. The whole Kanoko coveralls. Oh, look at that. Gum machine.
This cash register, just exactly like this.
Uh-huh.
On the same, like exact setup. I don't know about the brand. My dad had this in his rental equipment business, and they took it out just right before the first summer I worked there.
Oh yeah?
Junior high. But yeah, it seems to have the numbers, the dollars plugged in and stuff like that. Yeah.
So it's not bad out. Looks like about 84. I think on the way into Williams it said it was founded in 1882. The Grand Canyon Hotel was built in 1892. Now this is supposed to be the oldest bar in Arizona. This is in Williams, Arizona. It says established 1912. There's a bar in Prescott called the Palace Saloon. I believe it was established 1900. There's also one in Bisbee called Elmo's. that is supposed to be even older than either of those. So that's 3 bars claiming to be the oldest bar in Arizona. I think we need to get to the bottom of that. I don't think they're using the brakes much. Anybody coming? There we go. So we just spent the day walking around Williams, Arizona. What did you think, Kelly?
I liked it.
Kelly liked it, so Kelly approved. And now we are going to go head out and see Roy and Becky, if you might know their channel, Roy and Becky's Travels. And we're going to hang out and camp out. And this has been another episode of Fit for Expedition Fun Seekers. This has been Greg and Kelly. We'll see you next time.